Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make these two black and white overlays that people use commonly for video editing. So first I'm just going to select this white background and I'm just going to select the 3x4 just until the whole video, and I'm going to add in the black background and I'm just going to adjust it to the whole video as well, like scale it up. Go to mask and select split. And I'm just going to rotate it this way, and you're just going to feather it out like a lot. And if the black is too much, just move the kind of line downwards a little bit. Usually it's kind of like this, the overlay. And the other one, you're just going to add in the black stock video behind. Oops. And then you're going to add in the white stock video on top. Then you're going to select the circle one and you're going to feather that out. You're then also going to go back to basic and adjust the opacity. Move it up here just a little bit. Go to mask and kind of adjust it as well along the way. And something like that. And you can just add it on top of your videos later on. And yeah, that's how you can make these two black and white video overlays. This one's the most common one though, the first one. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!